Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Realme phones. First, open your phone's settings application. Next, scroll down the menu until you find and tap on the privacy option. Within the privacy settings, you will see several choices. Please select Hide Apps to begin the process. This feature helps keep your personal applications secure and out of sight from others who might use your device. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to set up. Before you can hide any applications, the system will prompt you to set a privacy password. This is a crucial security step. Please create a strong, 6-digit password that you can easily remember, but others cannot guess. After entering your password, you will need to confirm it and then set a security question. This question will help you regain access if you ever forget your password, ensuring your hidden apps remain accessible only to you. Now that your privacy password is set, you can select the applications you wish to hide. Simply toggle on the switch next to each app you want to make invisible from your home screen and app drawer. After selecting your apps, you'll need to set an access code. This code is essential for retrieving your hidden applications later. Remember, the access code must begin and end with a hash symbol, like hash 12,345 hash, and can be between 1 and 16 digits long. To access your hidden applications, it's a very simple process. Just open your phone's dial pad as if you were going to make a phone call. Then, enter the access code you created earlier, including the hash symbols at the beginning and end. Once you input the correct code, your hidden applications will instantly appear on the screen, ready for you to use. This method ensures that only you, with your unique access code, can view and open these private apps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.